How to create a Fiverr seller account. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about Fiverr and I'm going to be teaching you how you could create your own seller account. Now to be able to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to have to do is to log into your account. You won't be able to do anything unless you create and log into your account. After that, as you can see right on our screen right away, you have the option Become a Seller. So simply select this option over here. If you don't have this option, simply select on your profile and over here under Refer a Friend or above settings, you will be able to see the option Become a Seller. So simply select that and you will be able to begin the process on how you will become a seller. As you can see, ready to start selling on Fiverr. The different things that you have to do is to learn what makes a successful profile, create your seller profile, and publish your gig. As simple as that. So simply click on continue. And over here, basically, it's going to give you some tips and tricks and the different information you need to know to be able to create a Fiverr profile, a successful one, such as taking your time creating your profile, adding some credibility, accurately describing your professional skills, putting a face to your name, uploading a profile picture that clearly shows your face, and keeping up or keeping the security for the community. And over here, the next step, it's going to tell you the things that you want to steer clear of, the things that you should avoid. And as you can see here, these are the different information. Click on continue. And now over here, you're simply going to put in the different information that is being asked for you. You have your full name, display name, profile picture, description, and languages over here. So let's give it a temporary name. Click that. Go. Then description. I am a freelancer. Very simple for now, but at least 450 characters. So let's go to ChatGPT for a bit, and let's ask it to generate 150 description of me for Fiverr. There we go, 150 words. There we go. Then let's wait for this to finish up so that we could copy and paste it over here. So that we could proceed to the next step. There is total of 3 steps over here. You have personal info, professional info, and account security over here. So simply follow and complete the steps that is being required of you, and you will be able to easily move on to the next step. And over here, you have our language. I simply type English if you want. There we go. And then language, fluent, of course. Click on add, click on continue, and you're going to have to upload the profile picture. But anyway, just simply follow the instruction. It's not too hard. You're just going to go through the instructions. It's going to ask you for personal info, professional info, and account security. In account security, you're basically going to verify your profile. Basically, you're going to upload a photo of a valid ID to verify that you are the person that you are telling that you are. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to create a seller account in Fiverr. Thanks for watching.